So this one is the popular style, which I've actually never done before. It's called the fault line style, and here it reveals what's on the inside, and you can fill it with anything. But this one's Toca, kids TV show, and then on the back I've filled it with biscuits and sweets. First time doing this one, so it's a little bit rough around the edges, but the style of this cake I think allows you to be a little bit rough because it's sort of the fault line effect. Looking forward to trying this one again with something different. But for my first attempt, I'm happy with that. This is an edible image that I've got there. So everything's edible. And then the topper is an edible image backed onto fondant. So again, everything edible.